Hi friends, you are watching Gemstone Deal channel. Today I have a very important topic to discuss with you because so many people already contacted with me and asked me that question that they have the stone and they want to identify that is real or fake. And many stones, many people already sent to me to ask that what is the identification and how we can judge the stone is real or fake. So this topic is very important. I would like to explain you about all stones, things that are hidden and nobody knows because except businessmen, nobody know what is the real, what is the fake stone. So I will discuss today about fake stones or real stones, and before going towards video, I would like to say that please subscribe my channel, and along with that you can find out the bell icon button. Hit the bell icon button for the new uploaded videos notifications every day. So guys, here the question is that so many people already sent me their stones to show me that they are real or fake. But unfortunately, that all stones are 95% these stones were fake stones because a common person don't know about the reality and the authenticity of the stone. So that's why they already purchased their stones, and these are all fake stones. And there's something that I think so. Maybe these stones were cheap, they purchased already, but sometimes the dealer can sell you the fake stone and get the money higher comparatively the natural stone. And that's why some people already purchased but the fake stones. These fake stones are nothing not at all except wasting your time and wasting your money, and you will cannot get any kind of benefit from these stones. So so many people already asked me and suggested me that you make the specific video on this topic so people could be able to understand what is going in the market, how we have to avoid these synthetic stones and synthetic stone dealers, and how we can check. And my answer is here that if you are going to buy the stone, you have to check it by laboratory certificate. If you don't know about anything, you have to already watch my videos. I told you everything on every kind of stone. I already explained that what kind of stones and what is the identification, how we can get the prices, how we can judge the reality and the syntheticity of the stone. So these things keep in mind every time, every day, everywhere you go to buy the stones, that the stones can be synthetic. It is too much in the market circulating synthetic stones, and people don't know about what is the synthetic stone, what is the real stone, and that's why they already purchasing these stones. And unfortunately, they are losing their money, they are losing their time, and nothing is going to benefit it for them. So that's why uh, keep trust, but ask before going to pay. Ask for the certificate of for you can say authentic laboratory certificate. If the certificate is okay, then maybe everything is okay, and you go to pay without any hesitation, and you can wear this stone will be beneficial for you. If you are going to purchase without any authenticity, then you are going to waste your time, you are going to waste your money. So guys, I will suggest you that always keep watching, keep uh, trust on dealer, but on the basis of certificate, because sometimes some things are coming in the market just like 100% just like natural stones. The lab made stones already coming in the market like that. Nobody can judge. Nobody can judge. Even a businessman, even a dealer cannot judge also these stones, and how he can give you the guarantee. So that's why it is the responsibility of the dealer that he give you the certificate along with that stone. And You also ask for the certificate. It is very important if you want to avoid the fake deals. So this is the only way, and this is only the thing that you have to understand, and you have to adopt this to avoid fake deals. So guys, if you feel any difficulty to purchase natural stones, real stones, you can contact with me via WhatsApp already given in the description, and I will suggest you, I will uh, sell you the stones that are real, 100% guaranteed with certificate if you want, and we will send you wherever you live by the courier, and also good prices, good quality, 100% guaranteed stones you can buy from us. So if you have any suggestion, any recommendations, you can ask me in the comments, and